If your WhatsApp chats feel like a desert, you're missing out on a sticker oasis. Guess what? WhatsApp just leveled up its sticker game. Partnering with GIPHY, you now have a sticker library that's basically endless. Just tap the sticker icon, search with keywords or emojis, and boom! Instant flair for your messages. But wait, it gets cooler. WhatsApp now features AI-powered sticker creation. Type what you're thinking, and the AI whips up custom stickers just for you. It's like having a personal sticker genie. This feature is rolling out in the US with more languages coming soon. Feeling creative? You can also turn your own images into stickers. WhatsApp removes the background and you get to crop, draw, and decorate to your heart's content. Save your masterpieces in the sticker section for quick access. And to keep everything tidy, WhatsApp's improved sticker organization lets you preview and reorder your sticker packs effortlessly. So go ahead and make your chats as animated as your personality. Happy sticking, folks!